In a previous video, I made order like this. Yes, there is a mistake. This should be like this. Yeah. Let's try to argue. Well, like this. So 10 plus 10. That's the result 20. These results. This is the number added up. Okay, next, we're going to discuss this input variatio. If we just did it like this, it will. There's no caption here. What to do? Well, with this video we're gonna make a equation or descriptio. What to do, for example. Input name, yeah, type here. In input. Or enter a name, yeah. Okay, let's just start. I type in here. I just delete this first. Variable name. Then I put it like this. And enter your name. Like that. Then I place an order, like this. Don't forget to press Ctrl Alt plus S. Let's try to argue. Well, it came up like this. Enter your name. Let's put our names. For example, will appear like this. Well, now we made variation or descriptio. Our input, yeah, our on its print output. We made it like this. We just added here to the output, which is my name is Don't forget to press Ctrl Alt plus S. Let's try to argue. Enter your name. Enter. Then it says, output near my name is Joe. So, automatically will come out. To listen, my name is Ya Joe. This is what we inputted before. We're gonna try to use two variables with different data types. For example, here name. This data type is str. Now we do it. Age. The data type is int. Well, next we're gonna pop the output. For this name, output yes, the command. Been there before. Now for age. Don't forget to save. Press Ctrl+S. Let's try to RU. Enter your name. Enter your age. My name is Joe. I am 21 years old. Like this. Well, that's just a tutorial that I can tell. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.